Welcome back to my channel. This is the channel of Lily's Cozy Home, and today we are going to discuss 8 inspiring decorations for your home for Christmas. But before we start, I want to wish you all a happy 2019. I wish that all your goals will come true, and for myself, I also have set some goals for this year because I had a very nice year. It was a very interesting year, 2018, but I lost a little bit myself in this year, and now I want to refine myself, to inspire myself, to set some inspiring goals for myself, and to start with losing some weight, because in 2018 I had no energy to do anything. That's why I am starting fresh this year, and I want also to inspire you to set some goals and to go for it. In 2018, I tried a few times to lose the weight that I gained, but it was very difficult. Every time that I tried to eat healthy, I lost my inspiration and gained a lot of weight back. So this year I decided to try something new, to maintain my energy and to lose my appetite. That's why I am trying this year with this green coffee. So because I had no energy, I needed my sugars to be energized. I couldn't lose any weight. So 2019, I started with this green coffee. One box contains 14 little bags of green coffee. It's a new formula, and the box says that it's all 100% natural ingredients. So every morning when you wake up, you have to drink 1 little bag of coffee, wait 15 minutes, and then eat your breakfast. So this will help you to gain back your energy and to lose your appetite. On this way, you will lose the weight that you want to lose and get back your energy level. I have drank my first cup of coffee. I'm full of energy right now. I'm very excited for this year. So let's start with the purpose of this video. 8 inspiring ideas for Christmas decoration for your home. So the first piece for your Christmas decorations is this wooden decorative piece. So what I did, I bought this wooden thing in the store, bought some wire. For this I used this wire. It gives some cottage inspiring vibes to this hanging piece. And I bought some Christmas ornaments and hang on it. Very easy to make. So the second piece that I made is this Christmas garland. Like you see, I gave it some extra vibes to it. I used some branches, painted them white, and I use these branches every year for all seasons, for Valentine, for Easter, to hang my decorations on it. So for Christmas I hang up this garland on these branches, and it gives some cottage inspiring vibes to it. So I also bought a second pair of lamps to make this piece. This is how it looks like. It's hanging in the corner of my living room, and it gives a lot of warmth and coziness to your home. Let's look at this from up close. This is how it looks like. So I used a wooden box and filled it up with cinnamon sticks, ornaments, pine cones, and I also use this wooden thing to give it some cottage inspiring vibes to it. So when we look at this from far, this is how it looks like. So when I'm watching television, this is how it looks like. Very cute, very cozy, very warm. So the next hanging piece in my home is this one. So I bought this wooden thing in the store and attached this garland on it and attached some wire with ornaments, and the result look like this. Very cute, very festive, very warm. Then in the corner of my living room, I used this Christmas tree top and placed it in this basket to make it more festive, and I used this wooden reindeers to place it on the tree, and I used also this candle holders to hang it on the branches and the basket. Placed some fake snow over it, and then when you go down, you see this cute teddy bear. This is sitting in this Christmas bag of Santa Claus, and next to it you see my favorite piece of this year, this exciting Christmas Santa thing standing in the corner of my house. Then I have some little, Christmas thingy to decorate a little bit more. This Christmas tree my son made at school. Then I have here a little Christmas village, candle holder. I like very lots candles, so my house is full of candle holders. So we saw this side of my living room. This is how it looks like. Then we go at the other side of my living room. This is my television in front of my couch. Then we go at the other side, and I have this wooden box that I bought. I painted it white. Then I decorated, of course, with some wooden elements, Santa Claus standing there, a Christmas village, some, fake snow. Then when we look underneath this piece, we see this other wooden box standing there with some pillows to give some warmth to my home. And then we come to this amazing fireplace and another Christmas tree with some Christmas presents underneath the Christmas tree. Now I will show you how all this looks like when you enter my living room. Let's go! So, you enter my living room. Here sits my son watching some movies. Then you have one couch. The second couch. You have my television in the middle. At the right side, you have my window with a garland. You have Santa Claus with his presents and this cute teddy bear. Then you have some pictures of my son with some extra decorations. Here you have my son. Okay, it's enough. Thank you very much. Goodbye. Then you have this wooden box that I made on the other side. Then you have this wooden box on the ground. I use it to hide all the cables of the television and stuff. So this is how it looks like. And then you have this gorgeous chandelier. And my garlands. So this hanging chandelier thing is hanging in my kitchen. This is my kitchen table. This is my kitchen. And then you come in the other corner of my house. Here standing also a little table and this piece. So this was it for this Christmas decoration. What I wear for Christmas are those socks. Yeah, very inspiring red Christmas socks. Yeah, jump for it. Jump for it. Go for it. Go for it. Yes. Some exciting Christmas socks. Whoa! See you next time. Whoo!